Hello, namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel. Thank you so much those who have subscribed to my channel and also like it my videos and share it with their friends and family. So thank you guys. Also, I wanted to say thanks to all who had put write nice comments on my video. Thank you all of you. I also wanted to say thanks to my team in India who are working really hard editing my videos, putting things together and making sure every week you guys can see my new videos. So thank you also. Thank you all of you for showing all the love and support. Thank you so much and keep on sending us more love and support. That's what we needed and that's inspiring me to make more videos. So thank you all of you. And so let's begin. Today's topic on which I am going to talk is about water. Yes, water. You heard me right, water. And why I have selected topic water? Because since the situation is going around, it's emitting a lot of negative energy, like negative vibrations. So how we can keep our energy and vibrations high? And water is the one thing which will help us to retain our energy vibrations high, and we can also increase our energy and vibration through water. Yes, because our body is made up of water. 70 to 80% of our body is made with water, right? And water has a memory. Yes, you heard me right. Water has a memory. Water memory is the ability of the water to retain memory of the substance is previously dissolved in it, even when there is a very high dilution factor to the point, so that no molecular substance remain in the solutions, right? And water has the highest memory. Whatever we speak, whatever we think, water absorbs that faster. And since our body has made up of water 70 to 80%, and you know that water is surrounded with the energy, right? So if the person has a disease or illnesses, think about it, their water has a lot of negative energy around it, right? So if we drink highly energetic water on daily basis, it is going to help us. Also, it is going to help us with the diseases and illnesses to cure. So now, how to recharge water? So before talking about how to recharge water, I wanted to say something that throughout the world, in different countries, in different religions, all the holy places like temples, church, mosque, right? You go there and they give you holy water, right? And we drink only little bit. And of course in Hinduism and in India, when we go to temple, we drink water and put whatever like is remaining, we just put it on our head. It's like, because why? So that we can get the blessings, positive energy. And we have a lot of faith that this is going to help us to heal. This is going to help us to be more peace and comfort, right? That's the reason when we go to any of these holy places, we never forget to get this water. So same way, this highly energetic water we can prepare home also. Of course, in temple, mosques, churches, the water is, they have a high vibrations energy because it is surrounded with the energy and vibrations. So we can also use some techniques and make our water highly energetic and vibrations. So now I will be teaching you how we can energize water at home. If you are Indians, you already know that in kitchen, mostly in each and every house in India, they have a big clay pot. Now they have substituted with different materials, like they have steel, they have brass, so whatever it is, right? So in that they put a lot of water, and on daily basis people fill up the water bottles, or they take their glass and fill up water from there. What we can do to energize water, there are different techniques, and of course like I will be talking on each techniques and explain it to you in brief, so that you can use this technique on daily basis and start drinking this highly energetic water. And also I will give demonstration also how to do it, but before that I will just talk how we can do it. So first thing is like we can put or we can chant any mantras. Yes, mantras. You must have seen me talking about mantras in mostly every videos. Why that? Because I myself do believe in mantras. Because mantra has higher energies and vibrations, right? So, and it can convert negative energy into positive energy faster. That's the reason I always recommend people to chant mantra. If you cannot chant mantra, you can put it on your house on any device. Now like it's free now, and also you get small speaker which you can put it around the house, right? So it's very easy. That's the one technique. Second is using positive words. Yes, you heard me right. Any positive words you can use it and energize that water. Third is positive affirmations. Yes, affirmations work miracles. You can use short affirmations and that also going to work. Then people who knows healing, people who are Reiki master or people who knows healing, or if you even do not know, do not worry about it. What you can do, you can give intentions that okay, like healing energy is emitting from my hands, and this healing energy is going into the water and healing this water. Okay, and whoever drinks this water get healing energy from this water. You just have to give intentions and it is going to work. Of course it is going to work. Then also if you really want to heal the water, and if you have seen my previous video, I will talk about how we can heal ourselves, right? So the energy will start flowing from your hands instantly if you give intentions that okay, you do not even have to close your eyes. If you want to close your eyes, you can close your eyes and just give intentions that energy is flowing from my eyes, and you will literally see the energy flowing from the eyes. Also with the hands, you can also give intention that the healing energy is flowing from my third eye and from my two eyes. Yes, you heard me right. Healing energy is flowing my hands, two eyes and third eye. And then either you can hold water, or if it's a big vessel, you can put that vessel, you can put your hands around the vessel. Does not matter if you want to put it and do it from the far, that's fine. Whichever technique works for you, you can use that technique. Also you can take a glass, you can put your hands around the glass, one on the top, one on the bottom. It's going to work. Either way, intention is the main thing to energize water. Doesn't matter how you are going to do it, it works. Like what I like to do before putting affirmations, before healing the water, I just do a prayer in my head. And like you can either use my prayer, what I am going to say it, or you can come up with your own prayer. So what I do, like I take this glass of water in my hand, or wherever this is, I will look at the water. Also, when you look at the water, you have to visualize that the white healing energy light beam is going into the water from your eyes and from your third eye. You have to visualize. If you're not able to visualize, that's fine. Do not worry about it. Just give an intention and it is going to work perfectly fine. So what I do, I look at the water, and looking at the water, I close my eyes and I'll just pray. I like to do a prayer like you can either close your eyes or open your eyes and look at it and just pray. I pray to you, God, to send your healing blessings, energy to this water and make this water highly, divinely healing energy water. So whoever drink this water get mentally relaxed and physically strong. I repeat, mentally relaxed and physically strong. So you can use this prayer if you do not have too much time to put affirmations, or if you do not have time to say anything, and this is going to work perfectly fine. And like when you do this prayer, just hold on this glass for at least 5 seconds and then drink water, and you will see that of course it's going to work. Secondly, as I say, you can heal water. So either you can hold glass like this, okay, and put one hand here, and you can just give intentions that highly healing energy is flowing from my hand and healing this water. That's all. You can also put your hand on the top and just say again that that healing energy is passing from my hand and going into the water and making this water healing water, and it is going to work perfectly fine. So these are the few techniques which you can use it. Of course, if you have a big vessel, if you have different jugs, you just have to look at it. If you and you just have to look at it and give intention, it's going to work. I have just shown it to you so that like you can know that okay, with a glass also it works. So the affirmation which one can use is, I am very peaceful and calm. I am very peaceful and calm. I am very strong, I am very powerful. Affirmations of your choice, what you want to be. If you want to heal your body, you can say I am healed, I am healed, I am healed. This highly energetic water is healing me. If you want to heal any particular area, my eyes are perfectly fine, my heart is perfectly fine and healthy, my liver is perfectly fine and healthy. You have to look at the water and say anything you want to say 7 to 11 times. If you do not have time, say it 5 times. Also, you can use positive words into the water. Just say love, light, energy, harmony, happiness, peace, joy. I'm just giving a few examples so that you know that okay, you can also put these nice words into the water if you do not have time to put all the affirmations into that. So I want you to make a habit of to use this technique and make the simple water into highly energetic vibrations water. And drinking this water, of course, it's going to help everybody in your family. If someone is sick, you can look at the water and just say I am healthy, I am healthy, I am healthy. Also, you can use I am master or mighty, I am very strong and powerful soul, I am very peaceful soul, I am very pure and pious soul. If someone has eye problem, like you heal the water, and also you can sprinkle that water on your eyes, and it is going to work as a miracle. Yes, but you you just do not have to practice one day. It's not going to happen. Of course, you have to practice every single day. You have to have faith that okay, this water, of course, it's working for me and it's going to help me to heal. You have kids in your house. You can also use this technique, which is going to help them in their studies. You can say I am very confident first, because that's, I think, mostly nowadays kids are liking that. I am very confident, my memory is very sharp. That's the second one. I remember everything what I study. I am very peaceful and calm. So these were the few affirmations and few positive words which I have given it to you guys. You can come out with your own affirmation, own words, with what you want to energize that water. If you go out, or if person is traveling a lot, so for them, they must be having a question that how we are going to heal our water. It's very simple. If you are getting a water, and if you are traveling, of course you can use this technique. But if you go in the restaurant, then how you are going to heal the water, right? If they give in the glass, of course you can do it. You just do this prayer, what I taught you, and just give intentions that this I am sending white healing energy from my eyes and from my third eye, and it's healing this water. Just 5 seconds and it's going to work. When you go out, of course, if you do not have time, just doing simple prayer, or if you just give intentions that healing energy is passing from your eyes and third eye, and look at the water for just 5 to 10 seconds, and it is going to energize the water. I highly recommend all the women of the house, all the ladies of the house, mothers, grandmothers, if you are watching this video, and if you watch this video, try to start using this technique, how to recharge this water, and definitely you are going to get result, amazing result. In your house, if somebody is a very short temper or gets angry all the time, you can use this energy water for 7 days and you will see the difference. For that, you just say I am very peaceful, I am very calm, I am very peaceful, I am very calm. These are the few affirmations which you can use and energize water. I was not doing, but I think I have started using this technique since last few days, and I myself can see a lot of difference. Of course, in second video I will be teaching you different techniques which you can use with the water and help yourself. I was not energizing my water, but I have few things which I am using on daily basis and which energize my water. I myself was not using affirmation, but ever since I thought about making this video and I have put out all the information, I have started using affirmations and making my water more energetic and more vibrant, which I am using on daily basis. My kids love cold water and they fill out jugs. So when they fill out and put it in the fridge, I will take it out again and I will give intentions, affirmations, chanting some mantras and I put in the fridge so that they can also drink this highly energetic water. I hope you all love this video and like this video. Definitely use this technique, and in the comment section do write your comments that what result you got after using this technique. Also, if you have any questions or concern, you can write it down in the comments and I would love to answer you all. I hope you have a great week. Keep smiling and be happy. Till next time, I, Sangeeta Patel, leave with lots of love, light and angels blessings. Namaste.